Hello traders. Today we are looking at the Nadaraya Watson Estimator Indicator available for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This tool uses Kernel Regression to create a smooth fitted curve through your price data. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the LL imports. Alright, there you have it. On the chart, the indicator displays a smooth curve that hugs the price action along with optional upper and lower bands that represent confidence intervals. The curve adapts to the contours of the price data using a non-parametric approach, meaning it does not assume a linear or any other specific model for the data. Price moving outside the bands may suggest the market is in an unusual position relative to the estimated value. You can also see there's a change in color in the line. I think the blue should mean a bullish condition and the red should mean a bearish condition. So the line is color coded. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. The settings include the bandwidth parameter, which controls how smooth or responsive the curve is. A larger bandwidth produces a smoother curve, while a smaller one follows price more closely. You can also adjust the number of bars used in the calculation and the multiplier for confidence bands. Alright, who's this indicator for? This indicator is suited for traders interested in quantitative and statistical approaches to price analysis. It is a visual and analytical tool only and does not execute trades. The curve can be pinned as new data arrives, so its appearance on historical data may differ from its real-time behavior. Always keep this in mind and use additional analysis methods. If you'd like to download this tool or learn more, I've included a link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future contents. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.